Exercise number 2 involves the steps of automatic vectorization and what automatic vectorization is. So first we discuss shortly what automatic vectorization is. Automatic vectorization is the shortest or less time-taking way to generate features using ArcGIS and using the ArcScan feature of ArcGIS. So, ArcScan for ArcGIS automatically convert raster data to vector feature. This process known as automatic vectorization. So basically, uh, automatic vectorization involves the removal of digits, data, or unwanted data in raster image. So by using this command, we can also remove data, unwanted data from the raster image. Automatic vectorization involves several steps, which are mentioned in these flowcharts. In these PPTs, I'm going to discuss these steps one by one. So first, I need to open the reference MXT in ArcGIS and then I'm going to perform these steps. So let me open ArcGIS. Then I have to navigate towards the folder where my data is. So here is the ArcScan batch MXT, which I have to open for this automatic vectorization. So I'm going to open this. So here is the data of MXT, which is required for this automatic vectorization. For further processing, the next step is raster cleaning. Before raster cleaning, I have to click on this partial scan image, right click on this partial scan image and then go to properties. And in this symbology heading, in show column, I need to check this unique values heading and then OK. The next step is I have to drag down this editors tab and start editing. OK. So the next step is I have to click on this bookmark option and then click on this raster cleanup option. By enabling or clicking on this raster cleanup option, the area for our interest जो है वो area for interest जो है हमारा वो zoom in हो जाएगा by clicking on this bookmark option. So the next step is we have to clean the raster cleanup option. Okay, so next step क्या है? In this ArcScan toolbar, we have to click on this drag down this raster cleanup option and then start cleanup. फिर उसके बाद इसको दोबारा से ड्रैग डाउन करना है रास्टर क्लीनअप को एंड देन वी हैव टू एनेबल दिस रास्टर पेंटिंग टूलबार फॉर फर्दर processing. Okay, so let's suppose this is the data that is unwanted and we want to remove this 59.96. For this purpose, I have to click on this erase option and then this unwanted data from this raster image is cleaned now. For further cleanup, we can also use this magic eraser. Let's suppose I have to clean this 001. So I have to make a box around this value and it will be removed. So by raster cleanup, we get to know how to use this eraser option or how to clean unwanted data from a raster image. So the next step is the further removal of unwanted data. Let's suppose I don't want this digits throughout on my raster image. So for this purpose, I have to again click on this bookmark option and then cell selection option. Now I have to click on this, drag down the cell selection and then select connected cell. After clicking on this, dialog box appear on which I have to enter total area of 500 raster pixels. OK. By clicking OK, all the digits on my raster image have been selected. So I have to drag down this raster cleanup option again and then erase selected cell. By clicking on this erase selected cell, all the data from my raster image, all the digits from my raster image will be removed. So here are the results of this step. This step removes all the data from this raster image in just one click. The next step in this automatic vectorization is vectorization. So for vectorization, I need to drag down this vectorization tab and then click on this vectorization setting. For vectorization, the compression tolerance should be 0.1 and the maximum line width should be 10. So after changes, I need to click on this apply and then close. The next step involves the generation of features by automatic vectorization. For this purpose, I need to drag down this vectorization tab and then click on this show preview. By clicking show preview, you can see preview of generated features is showing over all over the data. Now the next step is I have discussed all the steps mentioned in this slide. Vectorization भी perform कर लिया है and the next is generation of feature. Show preview तक हो गया, उसके बाद I need to drag down this vectorization and then generate features and then click parcel line batch and then OK. So I have to drag down this vectorization and then generate features. Parcel line batch is already selected, so I have to click on this OK. So here are the results of generating features by automatic vectorization. And all the steps are completed. After that, I have to stop editing and it's up to you. I don't want to save my edits, so I have to click on this now. All the steps of automatic vectorization are mentioned on this in PPT in the form of flowcharts, which I have performed in this ArcGIS